Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the low volume issue in Windows step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure that your sound devices like speakers or headphones are properly connected to your PC and their volume is turned on. Sometimes the issue is very simple, so it's always good to check this first. Now, go to the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the speaker icon. From there, increase the volume to maximum and check if your issue is resolved. If the problem is still not fixed, then move on to the second method. Go to the search bar and type Control Panel, then click to open it. In the Control Panel, click on the Sound option. A sound dialog box will appear, showing all the audio devices connected to your PC. Now select your headphones or the device you're using, then click on Set Default. After that, click on Default Device and then press OK. Check your sound again. If the issue is still not fixed, then try the third method. Again, open the Control Panel and go to the Sound option. In the Sound dialog box, select your headphones and click on Properties. A new Properties window will appear. Here, go to the Levels tab. Now increase the volume level to the maximum, then click on Apply and press OK. And that's it. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.